Pikachu, I choose you! Go!
Pikachu!
Pikachu uses Thunderbolt!
Pika-Pee! Big Ow!
Venusaur, oh no! Counterattack with whatever you feel like, man!
Wait, hold on, what? Venusaur with a question mark.
Yeah, I don't know, whatever.
Dude, come on, man! Fuck! Venusaur! I don't know what my fucking attacks are, dude. You're the one who keeps track of that shit. I just fucking take the hits for you.
Pikachu uses Thunder Smash!
Pikachu! Ow, fuck. Oh, God. Man, this is... Venusaur!
Look, I don't care what you fucking do. I don't even know what...
Just say fucking Solar Beam. Venusaur.
Whatever, do Solar Beam.
Yeah, okay, thanks. Venusaur! Ugh.
Pikachu, while he's charging his Thunder Smash, use your Bolt of Lightning!
Pikachu! Fuck! Ow! Okay, am I gonna do the Thunder? Wait, I don't even need your permission for this one. Venusaur. Bam! Oh, God, my fucking knee! That's my knee! Damn it! Shit! Oh, man! Why didn't you evolve me, you asshole?
Because I love you, Pikachu!
Do you want me to lose? Is that what you want? Christ! All you feed me is puffins! I need nourishment! Tauros meat or something!
We don't kill Pokemon!
We do! We do it for you, you fucking assholes! God damn
Look,
it!
man, I'm really sorry about
Fuck
this.
you, man! You suck! You stupid evolved prick! What do you even do? You're just a plant? Shut up, man! It's all your fucking fault.
Hey, I didn't even...
You were the one who was all, oh, I gotta do an attack! You could've just walked away! But you didn't, you prick! So fuck you, you dumbass! My knee! Oh, man. Fucking... Ow! My knee! Oh.